Good morning, students. Let us continue with the fourth module. Today we will discuss annual equivalent method or annual equivalent method comparisons. Here, first the annual equivalent cost or the revenue of each alternative will be computed. Then the alternative with the maximum annual equivalent revenue in case of revenue based or with the minimum annual equivalent cost in case of cost based comparison will be selected as the best alternative. So already you know revenue dominated cash flow diagram and cost dominated cash flow diagram. So this is similar to the present worth comparisons. Only thing here you need to compare everything with the annual equivalent method or annual equivalent comparison. I will solve the second problem here. A company is planning to purchase an advanced machine center. 3 original manufacturers have responded to its tender whose particulars are tabulated as follows. So there are 2 manufacturers 1, 2, 3. So down payments for each manufacturer is given here 5 lakh, 4 lakh and 6 lakh, and yearly installment for each manufacturer. First one 2 lakh, second one 3 lakh, third one is 1.5 lakh or 1 lakh 50,000. Number of installments is same for all the 3 manufacturers. So let's consider the time period is same for all the 3 manufacturers, so that comparison is made. Let us find the solution, which alternative is best. First one, you can draw the cash flow diagram. See, by seeing this we can say this is completely a cost dominated problem because there are no revenues at all. Okay, so take all the costs and take the sign convention only as positive, since it is a only cost dominated. See, if it is only cost dominated or only revenue dominated, take the sign as positive. If it is a combination of both, then take revenues as positive and costs as negative. Okay. See, initial investment, that is down payment 5 lakh, and every year 2 lakh will be again cost, that is yearly equal installments. So 2 lakh is the installment every year till 15 years. Finally, will let us know what is total its equivalent. That means what is the annual equal worth of this cash flow diagram. So for alternative 1 with 20%, 5 lakh. To find A given is P, right? This is P. To find A given is P with interest rate of I, that is 20%, and 15 installment means 15 years, and 2 lakh is the annual installment. So let us convert everything into annual installment. So 5 lakh and this multiplying factor is 0.2139. So let us see how it came. So interest rate is 20% and year of installment or year period is 15. So go for 20% in the compound interest tables. Already I have given you the compound interest tables. Please keep it and follow. See, here it is 20%. Here I am going for 15 years. In that, what we need to find A given is P. To find A given is P. Yes, it is 0.2139. 0.2139. Right? This value we have taken here. 15 years. In that, you go for find A given P. Okay. So 2 lakh keep as it is, since already it is annual equal payment. So ultimately you are getting 3,06,950. Then similarly for the alternative 2, down payment is 4 lakh, yearly investment is 3 lakh, then N is 15 years, I is 20%. So only cash flow diagram with the P is 4 lakh and equal annual payment will be 3 lakh. So till 15 years. So 4 lakh to find A given P. So that's the value is same, multiplying factor 0.2139, and 3 lakh is annual equal payment. So keep as it is, no need to conversion. So you will get 3,85,000. Similarly for alternative 3, 6 lakh is the initial or down payment. After that yearly payment is 1,50,000. So till 15 years you have 15 years installment of 1,50,000 is done. Finally, alternative 3, we will get 6 lakh to find A given B. So 0.2139 is same, and 1,50,000, no need to conversion. So add that. Since this is a cost dominated, we are taking all the values with the positive sign only. So ultimately you are getting 2,78,340. So the annual equivalent, if you compare first, second and third. So first is 3,06,000. Second 3,85,000. Third is 2,78,000. Comparing all the three, we will come to know that third one is the least cost. So the annual equivalent cost of manufacturer 3 is less than that of the manufacturer 1 and manufacturer 2. Therefore, the company should buy the advanced machine center from manufacturer 3. Okay. Next, let us solve one more problem. A company invests in one of the two mutually exclusive alternatives. The life of both alternatives is estimated to be 5 years with the following investments. C investment minus annual equal return plus salvage value also plus, because salvage value is the revenue we are going to get, or it is the future amount we are going to get at the end of the period. So investment is negative, annual return is revenue, so it is taken as positive, salvage value also taken as positive. So for A, these are values are given, B also these values are given. So drawing for the cash flow diagram, so this is downward arrow mark, this is investment 1,50,000, every year 60,000 you will get. At the end of the 5th year, so 60,000 you will get, along with that salvage value 15,000 also you will get. So now converting it into annual equivalent of A will be equal to minus 1,50,000 since it is an investment. So you can see here to find A given is B. See, always in annual equivalent method, always it is required to find A only. So that will become the numerator. Denominator may be P, F or other thing. So to find A given is B, and you see here for salvage value, since it is a future amount 15,000, to find A given F. So that is F, 15,000 is F, remember here salvage value is F, don't confuse yourself. So always with salvage value you need to find, or a given is F. So minus 1,50,000, again to find A given is B. So 25%, we go for 25% in that. What is the time period? I think it's 5 years. So 5 years to find A given is B, 0.3718. Okay, 0.3718. But to find A given is F, here you can see find A given is F, it is 0.1218. Okay. So by multiplying factors with the addition, finally we are going to get 6,057. Same thing you continue with the alternate B. So cash flow diagram is shown here, but salvage value, that is 35,000. So same formula apply. So into multiplying factors are also 0.3718 and 0.1218. So this is to find A given is F here. So F is 35,000. So multiplying factor will be same, and ultimately you will get 9,198. Okay. So comparing with the first and second alternative, the annual equivalent net return of alternative B is more than alternative A. Thus, the company should select alternative B. Since it is a cost dominated, or if it is a combination of both, take revenues as positive, as I said. So first is 6,000, second is 9,000, and this is the revenue. So take more revenue as the best alternative. Okay. At the end of, I will give this Word document to you also. So please refer that also. Similarly, this is for a machine problem, machine X and machine Y. So first cost, this is initial investment, estimated life 12 years for both. Salvage value is 0, so there is no future value here. Machine Y, salvage value is 6,000. Annual maintenance cost 0, machine Y 4,500. Okay. See, first only initial investment, that is 1,50,000. You convert this into annual equal payments. So that will come 27,675. How that value came? So with 15% go to the tables, compound interest tables, 15% table, in that go for 12 years, in that to find A given is P. So go there. So similarly you will get value for machine Y also. Only thing here you need to add 60,000 as the salvage value and convert it into annual equal payment. Okay, this 60, actually this should be 60,000. I think this should be, let us say, okay, this is 6,000 only. So 60,000 is wrong, it is 6,000 only. Okay, then here it is shown clearly. So that value we are going to get 48,573. The annual equivalent cost of machine X is less than that of machine Y. So machine X is the more cost effective. Got it? So one more problem, same thing here you can see, but here you can see it is a problem of two possible routes for laying a power line under study. So power lines have to be drawn, but one should be around the lake, one is under the lake. So length is, if we go around the lake 15 km, under the lake it is 5 km. So first cost 1,50,000. So this is 7,50,000. Useful life 15 years for both. See the costs. Maintenance cost is 6,000 per kilometer per year. Salvage value is 90,000 per kilometer. Yearly power loss is 15,000 per kilometer. Everything is given per kilometer, so you have to multiply it by 15 in case of first alternative, that is around the lake, and second one you have to multiply it by 5 under the lake. So 12,000 per kilometer. So for 5 km 12,000 to 5, that is 60,000 will be the maintenance cost. And similarly salvage value 1,50,000 per kilometer. So 1,50,000 into 5, that is 7,50,000 will be the salvage value. Yearly power loss also like 15,000 per kilometer. So into 5, that is 75,000 total yearly power loss. Okay. So same thing is calculated here, 50,000. So only thing multiplying by 15 for first case, for second case multiply by 5. So you will get the cash flow diagram. This will be the initial investment, annual cost will be, maintenance cost will be 3,15,000. See one more thing here, maintenance cost and power loss per year. So that is 90,000 plus this 2,25,000. How this 2,25,000? So power, it is the addition of maintenance cost and power loss. So total cost will be addition of maintenance cost and power loss. So totally 3,15,000 will be the annual cost. So that is 3,15,000 it is kept here. Salvage value similarly 13,50,000 has come, and this is same 3,15,000. So everything you have to convert into annual payment. So already it is there, you need to convert this one and this one, that is salvage value and initial value, initial payment. Initial payment is to find A given is P. Here to find A given is F. Okay. So by the tables, go to the tables 15% and 15. Say this is 25. 15%. Go to the compound interest tables with the 15%. See, you can see here 15%. Okay. In that go for 15 years. Right? 15 years. So to find A given P, 15% is 15. So 0.1710 to find A given P. What is that? 0.1710. Yes, you can see here. Similarly, to find A given F, 0.0210. Got it? So similarly calculate it for under the lake also. Multiply by 5, since it is 5 km. Ultimately you will get 7,60,500. The annual equivalent cost, since it's a cost dominated, only one salvage value, others are all cost only. Annual equivalent cost of alternative 1 is less than that of alternative 2, therefore select the route around the lake for laying the power line. So this is the less cost First one, that is only 6,71,000. This is 7,60,000. Similarly, solve all these problems very easy. I will give this copy to you also. Any problem, let me know. See, almost same. So try to practice these problems. Last one shall we see? Okay. See here, last problem let us solve. Jyoti Lakshmi has arranged to buy some home recording equipment. She estimates that it will have a 5-year useful life and no salvage value of equipment life. The dealer, who is friend, has offered Jyoti Lakshmi two alternative ways to pay for the equipment. Pay rupees 60,000 immediately and 15,000 at the end of year. So she has two options to buy that equipment, home recording equipment. 60,000 initially and after 1 year 15,000. So this will be the cash flow diagram. See, this is a cost dominated problem. So you take cost as positive only. So 60,000 plus 15,000. Okay. Again. Okay. Since it is not mentioned here for comparison, only present worth is taken. If they have asked you to solve it by annual equivalent method, then only solve. So this is a typical problem only for comparison method. So present worth is calculated here. And for the second option, that is pay nothing until the end of the 4th year, when a single payment of rupees 90,000 must be made. If Jyoti Lakshmi believes 12% is suitable interest rate, which alternative is the best for of her? So that the cash flow diagram is drawn here. Okay, nothing. Rupees 90,000 must be made. Okay, here also 73,393 is converted into annual equivalent payment. So that will come around 24,161. See here. First, convert if this is the case, convert everything first into present worth. After that, present worth to annual equivalent worth. Okay, like this. Compare the alternatives and select the least cost or more revenue generating. See, second option, only at the end of the 4 year 90,000. That means after 4 years 90,000. So this 90,000 should be converted into equal payments. That is, to find A, given is F, right? So from the table get the value. So ultimately comparing 18,000 and 24,000. So 2 is less, since this is the cost dominated. Take the value less. The annual equivalent cost of alternative 2 is less than that of the alternative 1. So 2 should be selected. So all the problems are easy. I am going to give this, and please solve more number of problems so that you will familiar with this. You can ask me individually your problems, or you can come to the college and meet me for any clarifications. This completes annual equivalent method. The next session we will discuss one more type, that is rate of return or internal rate of return. Any problems or any doubts, let me know. Please comment with your evasion. Thank you.